Welcome back. So we have the 10 days of deals going on at Harbor Freight right now. Deal 1, which depending where you are, is the US General 34-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart slate gray, $5.99 originally, but with the deal it goes down to $479.99. We already went over this. Deal 2 coming tomorrow, $318, is the Icon Professional Master Ball Joint Universal Joint Press Set 20-piece. Hurry, Tuesday, March 18th only. In-store only while supplies last. No coupon required. That's kind of nice. No coupon required, which means no fine print required. At least, not that I think so. And we'll take a quick look at it. It's listed actually as $214, so that's a little bit misleading that they're saying it's $229, but it's listed at $214 right now. So not as big of savings as you normally would. And here we have the price history on the Master Ball Joint Universal Joint Press. It's listed at $214 again. It has been listed as high as $229, which is maybe where they got it from, but it did drop down to $214 as of February 28th, so a few weeks ago, down to $214. And it does have this coupon, 39. Well, today's at 317, so down to $179. And well, this is the deal that's going on right now, $179. So I don't know if that was a precursor, maybe it was on sale last week and we just didn't notice, and I have the memory of a goldfish, or maybe I just don't remember. Anyways, that being said, the lowest it's been is that coupon, which is right now. Besides that, it came out originally in August of 2024 for $200, and they've only raised the price since. So this is the best deal that it's at. The Universal Joint Press Set 20-piece Professional Master Ball Joint, $214 right now, $215 right now, but it will be on sale for $180. Now, looking forward to day 3. Day 3 is here, and it's a little bit, I mean, this says coming soon, but we'll look at day 3 right now. So day 3, deal of the day 3, 30% off all Hercules, BAUER, and Warrior corded grinders, polishers, and buffers. 2 great deals in this one. 30% off, that's pretty good. I feel like they had similar sales on BAUER recently on all their corded tools, maybe something similar for Hercules, but they definitely didn't include Warrior, although I don't hear as much love for Warrior as I do for BAUER and Hercules, but maybe I'm wrong. So 30% off all corded grinders, polishers, and buffers. Sweet deal. And then throw in $99.99 for this 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides. And I know we've seen this on sale a little bit before. This says preset orders are also available, so just in case they sell out, but it's $75 off, and that's a pretty deep discount. So we can do the math real quick. Let's just do $100 divided by 175 minus 1. It's about 43% off. So anything in the 40 is, even the 30% off is amazing. So 43% off is even more amazing, obviously. So this cart, convenient to have. Picnics is what I imagine it. Maybe taken to the beach, I'm not sure. But hauling things around when you don't want to carry them across the parking lot. That's what comes to mind. But that's deal 3. 3 days of deals. Tomorrow is the ball joint press for $180, really $35 off. They're trying to get a little bit sneaky there. And then the 30% off Hercules, BAUER, Warrior, corded grinders, polishers, and buffers. And then $99, $75 off for the 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart. That thing can hold, I'm not going to say, I'm going to make myself feel good, 5 of me, which is pretty impressive. But anyways, we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Let me know if you're taking advantage of any of these deals. And as soon as we get day 4 tomorrow, I'll send it your way.